Welcome to the VA Fee Appraiser Training Series, Introduction to VA Appraisals course. Lesson 1. The VA Home Loan Program. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs Loan Guarantee Service. Loan Guarantee Service, a key to home ownership for those who served. Welcome to the Introduction to VA Appraisals course. The intended audience for this course is newly appointed fee appraisers to the VA Fee Panel of Appraisers. This course provides an overview of the VA appraisal process and the key VA guidelines that impact appraisal procedures and reports. At the end of this course, and given access to VA reference material, you will be able to successfully 1. Understand the purpose and process of VA appraisals. 2. Engage with VA systems and reference materials. 3. Identify VA expectations for customer service. And 4. Understand VA appraisal guidelines and minimum property requirements, MPRs. After successful completion of this course, the appraiser is authorized to perform appraisals for VA. Let's get started. The Introduction to VA Appraisals course comprises 5 lessons. The lessons are 1. The VA Home Loan Program, 2. Customer Service Expectations, 3. The Appraisal Process, 4. Report Requirements, and 5. Minimum Property Requirements. Knowledge checks will be presented throughout the lessons to promote an active learning experience and reinforce learning. This video covers Lesson 1, the VA Home Loan Program. Lesson 1, the VA Home Loan Program. In this lesson, we will discuss the purpose and benefits of the VA Home Loan Program, the organizational structures of Loan Guarantee Service, LGY, and the construction and valuation value stream, the purpose of the VA appraisal and the role of the VA appraiser, and VA reference material. VA's mission is to fulfill President Lincoln's promise to care for those who have served in our nation's military and for their families, caregivers, and survivors. As part of its mission, VA provides a home loan guarantee benefit program and other housing-related programs to help veterans, service members, and surviving spouses buy, build, repair, retain, or adapt a home. The VA Home Loan Program benefit provides a guarantee on a portion of the loan for eligible veterans, service members, and surviving spouses. The purpose of the guarantee is to encourage lenders to make VA loans by protecting lenders or loan holders against loss up to the amount of guarantee in the event of foreclosure. As an appraiser, you play a crucial role in delivering the VA home loan benefit to eligible applicants. The VA Home Loan Program provides benefits for eligible veterans, service members, and surviving spouses. The benefits are: typically, no down payment is required by VA. Lenders may require down payments for some borrowers using the VA Home Loan Guarantee, but VA does not require a down payment. Competitive interest rates. However, VA does not establish a borrower's interest rate. No need for private mortgage insurance, PMI. The benefit may be used multiple times based on available entitlement and foreclosure avoidance assistance or programs. LGY's operational and policy divisions are responsible for the delivery of the VA home loan benefit and the oversight of its program participants, such as lenders, servicers, and appraisers. This is accomplished through the work of 4 value streams: loan production, construction and valuation, C&V, loan administration, and specially adapted housing, SAH, and Native American direct loan, NADL. Loan production conducts oversight of the lenders that originate VA home loans. Construction and valuation, C&V, conducts oversight of VA's fee panel appraisers and lender staff appraisal reviewers, SARs. Loan administration performs oversight of delinquent loan servicing. SAH administers the Specially Adapted Housing Grant and Special Home Adaptation Grant. These grants are a benefit for veterans and service members with certain service-connected disabilities so they can buy or adapt a home to meet their needs and live more independently. Depending on local licensing requirements, VA appraisers may apply to become compliance inspectors for the SAH program. The NADL program assists veterans who are Native American to obtain a loan to buy, build, or improve a home on federal trust land. VA fee appraisers are involved in the NADL process, completing reports on trust land. These NADL appraisals may become complex assignments due to limited or no market data, atypical ownership, or no local multiple listing services. The work of C&V is accomplished under the Policy and Operations business lines. Operations consists of 4 teams located across 8 offices. Each team is led by a valuation officer. Appraisers can expect regular interaction with senior or lead appraisers and review appraisers assigned to the team with jurisdiction over their geographic area. Knowledge Check 1. Which LGY operational value stream oversees the appraisers? A. Loan production. B. Construction and valuation. C. Loan administration. D. Specially Adapted Housing SAH Native American Direct Loan NADL. The correct answer is B. Construction and valuation. The VA appraisal is a critical step in the VA loan process, and it serves multiple important objectives. The VA appraisal has 2 main purposes. First, it ensures the property meets the VA's minimum property requirements, or MPRs. Second, it establishes the property's market value, protecting the veteran's financial interest and VA's risk of guaranteeing the loan. The Notice of Value (NOV), informed by the VA appraisal, reports the property's reasonable value, repair requirements, and all other appraisal-related conditions required for the loan to be guaranteed by VA. The reasonable value is considered in the calculations of the loan amount and guarantee. The quality of the appraisal is critical in protecting the interests of the Secretary as well as veterans, lenders, and servicers. It is important to note that the VA appraisal is not a building inspection designated by VA to perform the appraisal. The primary role of the VA appraiser is to estimate the market value of the property in accordance with the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice (USPAP) and VA appraisal guidelines, and note any readily apparent repairs needed for the property to meet VA's MPRs. Knowledge Check 2. What is the primary role of the VA appraiser? Select all that apply. A. To estimate the market value at the sales price. B. To estimate the market value in accordance with USPAP and VA guidelines. C. To perform a building inspection of the property. D. To ensure the property meets VA MPRs. The correct answers are B and D. To estimate the market value in accordance with USPAP and VA guidelines and to ensure the property meets VA MPRs. A key to an appraiser's successful performance on VA's fee panel is staying informed of VA's guidelines and requirements, which are updated periodically. Reference material for appraisers include VA Pamphlet 26-7, commonly referred to as the Lender's Handbook, VA Circulars, VA Appraisal Fee Schedules and Timeliness Requirements, and Gov Delivery News and Announcements. Reference material for the VA Home Loan Program is accessible from the VA Home Loans website located at www.benefits.va.gov/home loans. VA Pamphlet 26-7, often called the Lender's Handbook, is the primary reference manual for VA Home Loan Program participants, including appraisers. Refer to VA Pamphlet 26-7 for all guidelines pertaining to the appraisal process, appraisal report, and VA MPRs. VA circulars communicate announcements, clarifications, emphasis, updates, or changes regarding VA home loan guidelines. VA's allowable appraisal fees and timeliness requirements establish the allowable appraisal fees and the number of days allowed for completion. VA uses Gov Delivery to deliver email communications to industry partners, including appraisers. You must subscribe to receive Gov Delivery emails from VA, which may include announcements about updates to VA manuals, new circular releases, upcoming events, and special updates. Knowledge Check 3. Which of the following is considered VA reference material for LGY program participants, including appraisers? A. VA circulars. B. Gov Delivery. C. VA Pamphlet 26-7, the Lender's Handbook. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. These are all reference materials, with VA Pamphlet 26-7, often referred to as the Lender's Handbook, being the primary reference resource. As an appraiser on the VA fee panel, it's crucial to be familiar with the resources at your disposal to effectively navigate VA appraisal standards and expectations. Let's review the key VA appraisal resources. The VA Lender's Handbook contains comprehensive guidelines on the VA appraisal process. VA circulars communicate updates or changes to the VA Home Loan Program. VA appraisal fee schedules and timeliness requirements establish the allowable appraisal fees and the number of days allowed for completion. Gov Delivery is a service for which you can subscribe to receive email updates on VA home loan topics. LGY Hub is the online entry point to access VA loan guarantee applications like the Appraiser workspace. These resources are available from the VA Home Loans website located at www.benefits.va.gov/home loans. When additional assistance is needed, contact VA through the ServiceNow portal. Appraisers may also call Loan Guarantee Service at 877-827-3702 Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well done. The first lesson in the Introduction to VA Appraisals course is now complete. In this lesson, we provided an overview of the VA Home Loan Program. You learned: VA's Loan Guarantee Program helps veterans, service members, and eligible surviving spouses become homeowners. LGY's Construction and Valuation performs oversight over VA fee panel appraisers. The purpose of the VA appraisal is to ensure the property meets VA's minimum property requirements and provide an opinion of the property's market value. Lastly, LGY's primary reference manual is the VA Pamphlet 26-7, also called the Lender's Handbook. You may now exit this lesson and proceed to Lesson 2, Customer Service Expectations.